Freelancer online job platform review usage experience. Welcome to today's review of Freelancer, one of the most popular platforms for freelancers and businesses alike. Links to Freelancer are in the description if you're looking to explore the platform or start bidding on projects. Freelancer connects freelancers with clients worldwide in various fields like writing, graphic design, software development, marketing, customer service, and more. It's tailored to freelancers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals, offering both short-term and long-term job opportunities. The platform operates on a bidding system where freelancers submit proposals to job postings, and clients review these proposals to select the best freelancer for the job. One of Freelancer's key features is its milestone payment system, which ensures that freelancers get paid only once the client is satisfied with the progress or completion of their work. This system is especially useful for fixed-price projects, providing a sense of security for both parties. Freelancer also supports hourly contracts, with a time tracker tool that logs the hours worked and captures screenshots of the freelancer's progress. Freelancers can boost their visibility through the featured jobs and preferred freelancer programs, giving them access to more clients and higher paying opportunities. Freelancer also offers a contest feature where clients post project ideas and freelancers compete by submitting their work, with the winner securing the job. However, like most freelance platforms, freelancers' fees can be high. Freelancers pay 10% or FIs, whichever is greater, for each project, which can add up, especially on smaller jobs. Additionally, competition can be stiff, particularly in crowded categories. To stand out, freelancers must optimize their profiles and tailor proposals effectively. In conclusion, Freelancer is a great platform for freelancers and clients looking for global talent. It offers a wide range of jobs, secure payment systems, and the ability to grow your freelance career. But be mindful of the fees and competition. Check out the links in the description and explore what Freelancer has to offer today.